Hello again, Sat Shri Akal ji. This is Karanveer Narang, #UpwardsKV. This time from Jaipur, the Pink City, my hometown. आप सबको धनतेरस और दिवाली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. So how am I looking this Diwali? Do let me know in the comment section. So today we're going to talk about a dynamic marketing strategy for a very specific target audience with a very spicy example of Bihar elections. After all, politics तो marketing का चरम होता है. No, we are not going to talk about engagements or followers. They are cliches. Everyone talks about them. Everyone knows they are necessary. What we are going to talk about is branding. Not everyone takes it very seriously. But if you see very closely, branding clears the bad air. पिछले 5 साल में कुछ किया हो चाहे नहीं किया हो, branding paves the way for the next 5 years. Starting with the slogans itself, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है और नीतीश है तो संभव है. Isn't it like putting the brand name in front of the product name? When I was working with ITC hotels, all of them used to say ITC hotels, ITC Grand Chola, ITC hotels, ITC Maurya, and so on and so forth. What it does is it builds trust in the mind of the consumer due to the high performance nature of the brand. Now you also have to see what works the best with your target audience. One size does not fit all. Philip Kotler taught us that BTL activities work the best with rural markets. And when did we see that? Bihar mein Kaaba. Now circulate this message on social media and on WhatsApp and see the effect taking place. One thing that most of us get wrong is branding does not happen overnight. It takes a longer period of time for a name to become a brand. When is the next West Bengal elections? In April or May, right? And the parties have started campaigning already. We at The Unfinished Business believe in creating a strong brand through creativity and market research. And our clients are already giving good feedbacks, which is actually the target audience. Know more about our services by clicking on the link in the description. Do reach out to us. We are waiting.